The life of William Shakespeare. The man behind the words, William Shakespeare is one of the most famous writers in history. In this video, we'll explore his life, his work and his lasting impact on the world. William Shakespeare was born on April 23, 1564, in Stratford-upon-Avon, England. His father, John, was a glove maker and a local leader, while his mother, Mary Arden, came from a well-off farming family. Shakespeare probably attended grammar school, where he studied Latin and classical literature. At age 18, Shakespeare married Anne Hathaway, who was 8 years older. They had 3 children, Susanna, and twins Hamnet and Judith. In the late 1580s or early 1590s, Shakespeare moved to London to begin his career in the theatre. He started gaining fame by writing poems and plays and became part of a successful acting company known as the Lord Chamberlain's Men. Shakespeare wrote around 39 plays, 154 sonnets, and a few long narrative poems. His plays covered tragedies like Hamlet, comedies like Much Ado About Nothing, and historical dramas like Henry V. He is credited with adding over 1,700 words to the English language. In 1599, Shakespeare and his partners built the Globe Theatre, where many of his plays were performed. The theatre was open-air and welcomed everyone, from royals to commoners. It played a huge role in his success. Around 1613, Shakespeare retired to his hometown of Stratford. He passed away on April 23, 1616, exactly 52 years after his birth. He was buried at Holy Trinity Church, where his grave still draws visitors today. Shakespeare's works are still performed, studied and loved around the world. He's often called the Bard of Avon. He is considered the greatest writer in the English language. His words have influenced literature, film and even everyday conversation. Here are a few fun facts. No one knows for sure what Shakespeare looked like. Only 2 portraits are widely accepted. Some people believe he didn't write all the plays credited to him. And many common phrases, like break the ice or wild goose chase, were first used by him. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this short trip into Shakespeare's life, please like, comment, and subscribe for more fun history content. See you in the next video.